Hello everyone, this is Aradhna Singhal. Now I will teach you about the rules of English grammar. English grammar is the key of English language. You must know about its rules. Okay students, first of all I will teach you about the kind of sentences. Okay, uh, first of all you must know that what is sentence. I will tell you about the definition of sentence. Sentence is a combination of words. Sentence is a combination of words which makes a complete sense. Okay, student. Sentence you cannot all the rules. Okay, students. Sentence is a combination of words. Combination. It means group. Okay. Sentence is a combination of words which makes complete sense. In a sentence there are subject, object, verb, helping verb, etc. है ना, which makes complete sense is called sentence. You must know that sentence is the short part of translations. Okay, sentence are of how many kinds? I will tell you that sentences are of 4 kinds. Sentences are of 4 kinds. 4 kinds. First one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Okay, students. And second one is interrogative. Interrogative. It means प्रश्नवाचक, which create a question mark. Interrogative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence. And third one is imperative. What is the meaning of imperative? Imperative means आज्ञासूचक वाक्य. Imperative sentence आज्ञासूचक वाक्य. Okay. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence which create wonder, surprise, विस्मय. Okay. जैसे praise, sorrow, wonder, etc. Exclamatory sentences. Okay, students. Now you all are familiar about the kinds of sentences, that is assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, there are 2 parts of assertive sentence. First one was assertive sentence and it has 2 points. Okay, 1 point. First one is affirmative sentence. Affirmative. Some students think that assertive affirmative is the same, but that is not true. Assertive sentence has 2 parts: affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Okay, students. Second one is negative. In affirmative there is simple sentence and in negative there is use of no, not. Okay, according to sentence there is use of helping verbs in negative sentences. Okay. Okay, students. Now you all are familiar about the kinds of sentences, and second one, sentences are of 4 kinds. Second one is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences that create a question, such as will you help me? Will you help me? This sentence and after completing the sentence you must put a question mark. Okay, students. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence first sentences start from helping verb such as will. Okay, will, has, have, is, are, am, do, does. Okay, according to tense, according to rule of the tense. And second part of this sentence, it start from question word, such as what will you buy? So, what will you buy? Okay. There is their sentences start from helping verb, and another sentence start from question word. That is called interrogative sentence. Okay. And at the end of sentence, you should put a question mark. Okay, students. I think you became familiar about the use of interrogative sentence. Third one is your imperative sentence. Imperative. I have told you that imperative sentence is a आज्ञासूचक वाक्य, आज्ञासूचक. Your third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, in which we sentence express some command, request, advice, etc. that are called imperative sentence. I will write in short command, advice, request. Okay, students, request, etc. Okay, that are imperative sentences, such as bring a glass of water please. Such as bring a glass of water. इसके बाद हम कॉमा पुट करेंगे प्लीज. ओके. प्लीज सो अबाउट रिक्वेस्ट. ओके. bring a glass of water. एक ग्लास वाटर लेकर आओ प्लीज. It shows a request. It means it is a imperative sentence. Okay, students. Fourth part. Now I will describe you about the fourth part of sentences. It is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence मैंने आपको बताया था विस्मय जो शो करते हैं. It means sudden feeling, pleasure, anger, surprise. Okay, students. Exclamatory sentences. Okay. Sentence which express some sudden feeling, expressive sentence are called exclamatory sentence. Sudden feeling, expression. Sudden feeling कौन कौन सी होती है students? Such as pleasure, बहुत ज़्यादा pleasure होती है, happiness. Okay. Second, anger is also a sudden feeling. anger अचानक से आता है ना. And सरप्राइज आश्चर्य होते हैं किसी चीज को देखकर या सुनकर किसी चीज के बारे में. ओके. दैट्स आर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई हैव टॉट यू about the sentences and its kinds. I think and I hope you all understand it's in better way. Please, if you have understanding about this type of knowledge and you want to get more and more knowledge about English grammar, please subscribe my channel and please like it. Thanks. Bye.